Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by saving your bot token and any important settings securely. Next, open the DBL website and click your avatar in the top right corner. Choose Sign Out from the drop-down menu to end your session. Verify you still have access to the alternate Discord account you want to use. If you use a password manager, confirm credentials for the alternate account are available. Backing up settings prevents accidental configuration loss during the account change process. Go to the DBL homepage and click Sign In to begin the change. Select Discord as the sign-in method and choose the alternate account in the Discord prompt. Grant DBL the requested permissions so the site can access bots and guilds. After authorization, allow the page to load your new dashboard fully. Check that your bots appear in the dashboard list and permissions reflect what you expect. If bots do not show, reconnect them from the developer portal. If you must change bot ownership, open the Discord developer portal first. Use the transfer ownership option and enter the alternate account email or user ID. Alternatively, remove the bot from DBL and reauthorize its invite links using the new account. Revoke old OAuth tokens and generate a new bot token if ownership changes. Finally, update the DBL listing details, commands, and support URLs so the listing matches your new account. Verify invites and webhook URLs still function after updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.